Hello guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe. And today's topic is cardiac murmurs. So I have divided murmurs into the four types: pansystolic, mid-diastolic, diastolic and ejection systolic. So the first type is pansystolic. Mitral regurgitation and tricuspid regurgitation are type of pansystolic. Mitral stenosis and tricuspid stenosis are type of mid-diastolic murmur. Aortic regurgitation, pulmonary regurgitation are the type of diastolic murmur, as well as aortic stenosis and pulmonary stenosis are the type of ejection systolic. But aortic regurgitation is also called as Austin Flint murmur, while pulmonary regurgitation is also called as Graham Steele murmur.